Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Keep. Google Keep is a free note-taking app or platform that was created by Google, and it is available on all devices. So whether you have a Windows device, an Android device, or a Mac device, or any form of Apple device, you'll still be able to use Google Keep. All you'll need to do if you want to use the web version like what I'm currently using, you could simply open a tab, type in Google Keep, and then from there you can tap on the first option. You'll be able to sign in using your Google account. Once you have done that, you can create your first note. And by the way, if you would like to change it to dark mode or turn on or turn off dark mode, all you'll need to do is tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner. Then from there you could tap on enable dark mode, or if you would like to toggle it off, you could tap on the settings cog and tap on disable dark mode. Now to create your first note, you could simply tap on note. Then from there you can type down your first note or your to-do list. Another thing that you can also do is, let me correct that real quick. Another thing that you can also do is you can set reminders using Google Keep by tapping on the bell icon. So you can see right here, you can edit the reminder when you would like it later on today, tomorrow, next week, or you can select a specific date and time. You can also tap on collaborate if you would like to share a task or note with someone. You could tap on collaborate, and from there you could enter the person's email address or so on that you would like to collaborate or share it with, then tap on save. Another thing you can also do is if you would like to change the background color, you can do that by tapping on any one of these background colors as you can see right here. Or if you would like to change it to an image, you can do that as you can see here. If you'd also like to add an image to your note, you could simply tap on image right there, and then from there I could select the image that I would like to use. So let's say for example's sake I want to use this particular image. I could tap on it and you can see it right there. It has now been added. So there are numerous features that you can use. So now that you have created your note, if you would like to create a to-do list, it is basically the same thing. You would simply tap right here and you could create your to-do list. So let's say for example, first write, then second text. You can create your to-do list right there. After you have created your list, you could simply highlight the list. You'll be able to make any corrections you want. So you can see it right there. Then you'll tap on the three dots that says more. And from there, you can add join if you want. You can also tap on show tick boxes. So I could do that. And you can see it is now in a list format, as you can see right there. And you can add more items to the list by tapping on list items, and you could add something else. So I could type in something else right here, as you can see there, and I can continue adding more stuff. Once I'm finished, I'll tap on OK, and you can see it right there. So that is the list. Then I'll tap on close, and you can see my list has now been created. Also, if you would like to pin a list or note, all you'll have to do is hover over it. Then you could tap on the pin, and you can see that it has been pinned at the top. If you would like to unpin it, you can simply tap on that. But being that you'll be creating different notes or different to-do lists, to organize it, what you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on edit labels. So let's say for example my first label is YouTube, and I'll do that, and I'll create a second label. So my second label will be to-do list. So this will be how you'll be able to organize it. Then you could tap on done. Once you have done that, you can hover over whatever you would like to add to the list. So for example, let's say this one right here. Then I'll tap on the three dots, then tap on add label, and I'm going to be adding it to my to-do list, as you can see right there. Then I'll add this to YouTube, so I'll tap on the three dots, then tap on add label, and I'm going to be adding it to my YouTube list. Now if I were to go over here, you can see edit labels. I can tap right there and I can edit whatever I want. So I could tap right there and I could rename them. You can see the different labels right here. So I can tap on to-do list and you can see it quickly. I can tap on YouTube and you can see it quickly. You can also tap on reminders and you will see the different reminders. And if you have archived anyone, you can tap on archive and you'll be able to see it. And to archive a list, all you'll have to do is tap on the particular list that you'd like to archive. Then you're going to tap on the icon right beside the three dots. And you can see that that has now been archived. And to unarchive it, I can simply go into archive, then tap right here and I'll unarchive it, as you can see right there. So it has now been added once more. And you can do other stuff. You can set up reminders as I told you earlier, and you can also go over to the top and you could add joins if you want by tapping on new join. And from here you can do different type of joins if you want, and you can see the different editing tools in the top left hand corner. You can add tables if you want, as you can see right there. Now let's go back that I've shown you how to create join, and I'll close this real quick. Another thing that you can also do with Google Keep is you'll have access to other Google apps or platforms. By tapping on the 9 dots in the top right hand corner, you can see the different Google apps or platforms that you have access to right here. This is one of the standout perks of it. And if you would like to change the view, you could tap on the two boxes and you can change the view, as you can see right there. So you could change the view if you want to list view, and you can tap on that to change back the view. And again, remember, if you tap on the settings cog, you can enable or disable dark mode. You can also tap on settings right here and you can see the different settings feature. So you can set up the reminder defaults. If you like to automatically enable sharing, you can also do that. And that is basically it when it comes on to Google Keep. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.